Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels, and today we will solve one interesting questions about dictionary. And welcome back and study with Nova. Tereng, tereng, tereng. So today I will show you how to solve the favorite numbers, 6 favorite number in your, this book, Crash Course on Python. Think of 5 names and use them as a key in your dictionaries. That is the question. And the second one is think of favorite number for each person and store as value, then print the dictionaries. 5 name, use them as a key in your dictionary, and then every single name is have like favorite numbers. So the favorite number is not only one, but let's try. So favorite number in your dictionary. Favorite number. This is your dictionary. I think you have made like 5 names, maybe Nova, and then dictionary. This is using list, or I think this like a sample. Oh no, but you must use list. I think 5. Is it true? I'm sorry, I didn't know. Is it true or false? And using or the number is just 1. I think I wanna change this. The first one is just using maybe using just only one favorite numbers, but I wanna try if I'm using list. If I'm using list, it is like same like before. The question in 8 or 5 9 we solve that questions, but I wanna solve this first, and then I wanna try if I'm using list. So confused. 5 0, and then okay, this is the favorite question. Then store is okay, then you just suppose this is favorite numbers. So clear. What is Python 361 dot p. So how to solve this? Favorite numbers, then using Nova, no? Is favorite number. Is okay if I using sorry. Okay. Now favorite number is just add is 7. So because I'm not using 4, but it is very easy if we just using 4. But in this question we don't use loop. So you must print one by one your favorite number like this. Print F. Yasmin favorite number is you, and then you must try to this, and then favorite numbers, and then you just add the inverse Yasmin, and Yeah, and then you add for like same before, like whiskey, girang. Because if we don't use loop, it is very easy if we just using loop. Okay, but yeah, let's try not using loop. This one risky favorite number is, and then giring. Just add this, and then my yeah, and this is risky. Oh no, and then what is giring? Giring, and the second one is Maya. So done. But don't forget to add to your GitHub uh, every time, every time. Clear. Git status or git log. This the same. Person identity as of replace key. Okay, clear. Clear. Git add Python. Git commit min m what favorite favorite numbers and git every oh sorry. Okay, done. Let's try another questions.